Question number 11. 2.2 cubic dm diameter of a brass drawn into the cylindrical wire of 0.5 centimeter in diameter. Find the length of the wire. The brass, it is, so you change it into cubic meter. This is decimeter. Okay, so multiply with 10 into 10 and then change into volume, change into cubic centimeter. For the cylindrical wire, R is equal to 1 by 4 H you have to find. So volume of brass equal to volume of cylindrical wire. Okay, volume of brass it is already given. So volume of cylinder is pi R square H. H you have to find. Substitute the R and pi. So what you will get if you simplify? You will get H as 112 meter. 12. Water is flowing at a rate of 15 kilometers per hour through a pipe of diameter 14 centimeter into a cylindrical rectangle. So this is flowing through the pipe. So this kilometer has to be converted for the pipe. Okay. And what is given? Diameter is given. H is, you can find H from here. Is it? Into the rectangular tank. Into the rectangular tank, which is 50 meter long and 44 meter width. Find the time in which the level of the water in the tank will be raised by 21 centimeter. This is in meter, length, breadth and height. Height is in centimeters, so I have to convert it into meter. So 21 by 100. So you'll get the cylindrical tank, volume of cylindrical tank. Is it L into B into H? It will be in the cuboid form. The time taken. So what is flowing? Through the pipe, the water is flowing. Okay, through the pipe. So the time taken by the pipe. Is it to fill the tank? So you will find time into the volume of cylindrical pipe is equal to, you will find the volume of rectangular tank. Is it? Okay, so for the cylinder, rate of flowing water is 15 kilometers per hour and radius is 14. So diameter is 14, radius is 7 centimeters. So it is converted into meter is 7 upon 100 meter. This is okay for the rectangular tank LBH we got. Now the length of the pipe through which the water is flowing in 1 hour, is it? It is 1500 meter. In 1 hour it will be 1500 because 1500 kilometer, 15 kilometers per hour. Kilometers means it is 1000 meter, and it is 1 hour, so it will be multiplied by 1 hour. So hour will cancel out, it will be 15,000 meter. Is it? Okay. Is it in meter? This unit is in meter, therefore we are converting into meter per hour. Okay, therefore hour, otherwise we have converted into the minute. So suppose it takes X hours to fill the rectangular tank. So time taken by the pipe to fill the cylindrical tank, and therefore it will come as time taken into the volume of cylindrical pipe, okay, is equal to the volume of rectangular tank. So if X is the time, then X hour is the time, then what will be then? X into pi R square H and L into B into H. If you simplify this, is it? Then you will get as X is equal to 2 hours. Water flows at the rate of 10 meter per minute through a cylindrical pipe having a diameter 5 millimeter. See here, unit is so small, so we'll convert them into 1 minute. Okay, the water flows through the pipe at 1 minute is equal to 10 meter per second. So 10 meter per minute into minute. So 10 meter we will get, is it? Okay, so length will get it from there, and then diameter is already given. So length means here height because it's a cylindrical pipe. So R and H both is given. What do you have to find? And how much time it taken? Again, The cylindrical pipe is filling the tank, so time taken into the volume of cylindrical pipe is equal to where it is flowing. What time it will to fill the 1/4 of a conical vessel. So it is filling the conical vessel. How much is filling? 1/4. So is equal to 1/4 of volume of conical vessel. Is it? Okay. So it is this meter per minute has to change into H. Is it length, or you say length, or you say length of the pipe, or H? Is it? Because it's a cylindrical. So for cylinder, rate of flowing water is 10 meter per second per minute, and radius is 5 millimeters. So divide by 10. Is it? Okay. Divide by 10. So divide by 10 if you do it, and because it is a diameter, so divide by 20. So you will get as 1/4 centimeter. So for the conical vessel, radius R is equal to 20 by 40 by 2, that is 20 centimeter. The height H is equal to 24 centimeter. The length of the pipe through which the water is flowing in 1 minute is equal to, is it? Minute. Okay. Understand? You convert it into the meter, from meter to centimeter, so it will be 1000 centimeter, because the rest is given height, and that all given rest measurement is given in centimeter. So suppose suppose it takes X minute to fill the 1/4 of conical vessel. So time taken into the volume of cylindrical pipe is equal to 1/4 into the volume of conical vessel. So X into pi r square H is equal to 1/4 into 1/3 pi r square H. Pi and pi cancel out. So X is equal to, you can cancel this 16, so you'll get 250. Then divided by 250, so X is equal to, you'll get as X is equal to 64/5 minutes. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 64/5 minute is equal to how many seconds? So it will be given as 768 seconds. Cylindrical milk tanker, cylindrical in shape, having a diameter 2 meter and the length 4.2 meter, supplies milk to the two booth in the ratio of 3:2. One of the milk booth has a cuboidal vessels having a base area is equal to 3.96 square meter, and other has a cylindrical vessel having a radius 1 meter. Find the level of the milk in each of the vessels. For cylindrical tank, this is a volume we have to find. Radius is given 2/2, that is 1 meter, and height is given. So this cylindrical tank supply the milk in a ratio of 3:2. So what we get? Total ratio is 5, and it supplies 3/5 of milk to the cuboidal vessel and 2/5 to the cylindrical vessel. Is it? So how we to find how much volume it goes here? 3/5. Okay, so whatever volume we find, 3/5 of the volume of cylindrical tank, it will be equal to volume of cuboidal vessel, and here will be 2/5 of the volume of the cylindrical tank will be equal to the cylindrical vessel. Is it? So total ratio is 5, Now the volume of cylindrical tank we have to find first. It is 66/5 meter cube. So first, for the first case, is it 3/5 volume of cylindrical vessel will be equal to volume of cuboidal vessel. Is it? Okay. Cuboidal means it is 2 dimensions. Area is given, so L into B is given. H is not given. H you have to find. Is it? So area of the base is given, that is of cuboid, and it is a cuboidal vessel. So H is not given. Cuboidal means it is a 3 dimension. Area means 2 dimensions. So L into B is given. H you have to find. Is it? So area of the base is 396/100 into H. If you find H, it will be 2 meter. Similarly here, how much milk is supplied to the cylindrical vessel? 2/5 of the ratio. So 2/5 into the volume of cylindrical tank will be equal to the volume of cylindrical vessel. 2/5, 66 into 5 is equal to pi r square H. If you substitute the value and find the H, you will get 42/5. 25, that is h is equal to 1.68 meter.